Hello students, welcome back to the class on marketing management. In the previous presentation, I gave you a brief idea about the 4 P's of marketing. And now, I will be explaining to you all in detail about what marketing mix is all about. As we can see, marketing mix starts with a very important question. What are the 4 P's of marketing? As I had already mentioned that it is product, price, place and promotion. Now what is product? Product refers to the item actually being sold. The product must deliver a minimum level of performance. Otherwise, even the best work of the other materials of marketing mix won't do anything. So product means it can be any tangible item that is intended to be sold. Price refers to the value or that is put for a product. It depends on the cost of production, segment, targeted, ability of the market to pay, supply, demand, and a host of other direct and indirect factors. There can be several types of pricing strategies, each tied with one another with an overall business plan. Next is place. Place refers to the point of sale. In every industry, catching the eye of the consumer and making it easy for her to understand and buy, it is the main aim of the good distribution or place distribution. Retailers pay a premium for the right allocation. In fact, the mantra of a successful retail business is location, location and only location. Promotion. Promotion refers to all the activities undertaken to make the product or service known to the user and trade. This can include advertising, word of mouth, press report, incentives, commissions, awards to the trade. It also includes consumer schemes, direct marketing, contests and prizes. So these are the 4 P's of marketing mix: product, price, place, promotion. Now, if you look into this particular diagram, you will find that there are 4 segments and there is a circle in between who are the target customers. And revolving around the customers are product, price, place and promotion. That is the 4 P's of marketing mix. What is a product? It is given that when you go to the market to buy a product, what are the things we look for? The variety in the product, the quality of the product, the design of the product, the features of the product. Sometimes you also look for the brand name of the product. So packaging, these are all the things that you look for in a product. Similarly, in case of price, when we go to buy a product, we consider the price. That is what the maximum retail price, whether some discounts are offered, how is the payment method, whether there are some installment basis or credit terms involved in the particular price items. In case of place, we look for a convenient location where we can easily get the products, like channels, coverage, locations, where our products will be placed, how the product will move from the factory to the ultimate customer. And ultimately, from the promotion point of view, the company takes up advertising to make the people aware about the particular product. They even take up to some personal selling, sales promotion schemes like discounts, some contests. All these are held, right? So where the offers are given to make the customers purchase the particular product. So these are all types of sales promotion. Public relations schemes are also taken up by different organizations and government and private organizations to make the customers get attracted towards the product. So actually the product and price are from the consumer point of view, and place and promotion are from the organizations or marketing point of view. So the marketer actually tries to understand where to place the product and how to promote the product are the main theme of the marketing management. So these are the 4 P's of marketing in regard to marketing management, which what we call marketing mix. Thank you very much.